How to use Amazon Prime free shipping. Are you a Prime member? This guide shows you how to use Amazon Prime free shipping so you can get free shipping on your orders. First, you need to be an Amazon Prime member. If you're not a Prime member, you can't get free shipping. If you are a Prime member, you'll see a Prime logo next to a product that is eligible for free shipping. You'll also see estimated delivery time, which is usually between 1 to 5 days. Once you've added a Prime eligible product to your cart, go to checkout page. You'll see a few shipping options. Select the free shipping option to get free shipping. The total cost of your order will not include any shipping fees. You should know that not all products are eligible for free shipping. Only products with the main Prime logo are eligible for free shipping. You can also get free shipping on orders over a certain amount. Even if you are not a Prime member, it's a great way to save money on shipping. You now know how to use Amazon Prime free shipping. Get ready to get free shipping on your orders. Like and subscribe for more app tips.